We often hear that life is a journey, but what does that even mean? Because at times, our journeys can be lonely, uncertain, and confusing. But it was never meant to be that way. The world has always been an interesting place to play and be curious. But we've been conditioned to collect and carry unnecessary baggage as we journey on. We've been trained on when to stop and when to go. And without even realizing it, our time in this world is zipping past us. The obstacles we face, the setbacks we endure, often add to our load. And to pack light is to remember that it's the journey that matters, not what you carry. Packing light weighs less on our souls and frees us from an unknown future and a painful past. The world is in need of people with less to carry and open arms. Give more, live more, be the light for yourself and others. And remember, the next time you pack for a journey, pack light.